simplify the fraction 1 minus x over x to the fourth all over x to the negative second power minus 2 over x cubed plus x squared. I'm going to rewrite this. So x to the negative second is 1 over x squared. And I'm going to factor out a x squared from the last fraction. So that's going to be x plus 1. And now I need to find the least common denominator from all three. So we have x to the fourth, x squared, and x squared times x plus 1. So clearly from the x squareds and x to the fourth is the least common denominator, and then we also have to include x plus 1. So I'm going to multiply by x to the fourth times x plus 1 over 1 divided by x to the fourth times x plus 1 over 1. And so when I multiply the top, the x to the fourths cancel. I'm left with 1 minus x times x plus 1. I'm just going to write it like this, 1 plus x, over the first fraction, x to the fourth over x squared is just x squared. And then I still have a factor of x plus 1. And then the second one, x to the fourth over x squared is just x squared, and the x plus 1's cancel. So from here, I can factor out a x squared from the denominator. So I'm left with x plus 1 minus 2. And so this will be, when I simplify it, x squared, and then x plus 1 minus 2 is just x minus 1, which if I multiply by negative, it turns into 1 minus x. And so now the 1 minus x are going to cancel, and I could just rewrite 1 plus x as x plus 1, and then I have an x squared in the bottom, and the negative I'll just put it in front. And so this is the final answer.